welcome to episode 30 of We Bought a Fixer Upper. We have officially moved upstairs. Yes, he's still in his pajamas. It's after 3 o'clock, but it's the last day of spring break.
See ya.
Yes. So anyway, we have moved upstairs because the flooring is done. David did the flooring. Good job, David.
Aaron helped.
I did help. I was a little bit of an assistant. So moving on to our kitchen. We've got our appliances in, minus the dishwasher. You got the part coming in for that next week? Is that what you said?
Check.
Thumbs up. Okay.
We'll see if it works.
So let's go through here, checking out the foyer. And a
Dude.
sliding child. The bathroom is done. Paint,
Mostly.
toilet. What's not done on it?
Gotta touch up some paint.
Oh, yes. Mr. Perfectionist. All right, moving down. Excuse me. Now, if you remember in some of the older videos, the room that had the green carpet, this is that room. So if you go back and look at any of those videos, the green carpet room is this room. It's kind of surreal when you think about it. The closet is done.
We missed the green carpet.
No, we don't. No, we do not miss the green carpet. Oh, we do have to put the shelf up there, right?
Yep.
Yep, so 2 shelves. And if you remember, these used to be sliding glass doors. They are now officially windows, which is amazing. And then going through here, the Jack and Jill bathroom, and it's totally done. This part and this part. See that? Yay!
Yay.
Baths and showers now. And then this room is complete.
Mm-hmm. Well, except for the ceiling fan that's missing.
Oh, yeah, that.
Oopsies.
And her closet is done. Oh, God. Tasmanian devil. And then
Just
moving
like his
along.
mama.
Hey, not just Tasmanian devil. Our bedroom. We are sleeping now. It's amazing. Our closet is done. That was a 5-hour project. I think we started at, yeah, we started at like 11 a.m. and it was done around 4, I think. Crazy child. And then the bathroom is done.
Good.
Oh, forgot to put my hair stuff up.
Oops.
Taking a shower in there now, although it's not cozy. You want to take a peek out the window oh, yeah, so they can see next door progress. A little bit since, oh, am I taking it here?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're showing our house, not everybody else's.
Okay. This is next door. They have been, they've made a lot of progress. And then David has been working on, remember those metal stairs that were supposed to go away a year ago? David's been working on cutting them up today.
You're gonna make the cats escape.
No, the cats are not going to escape, buddy. Okay, let's go take a look at the basement. I'll take over from here now, David. He's off the hook. He is officially off the hook, and then we are going to go take a look at the basement. The laundry room is not finished yet. We are doing things step by step. The closet up front is not done yet, and we're really close with the kitchen because we are close. Maybe a couple of weeks. All right, the basement. I have spent all day today working on trying to clean this basement up because it has been a disaster for the past 7 months that we've been living down here. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My favorite kitchen in the whole world, right here. And then this will be my office. What? Ah! I just got hit with a stuffed animal. And this is kind of like the landing spot for just some of the things that I've been.
That is not nice.
He's getting in trouble. And then we got part of our couch in today. So this is half of it. There's another section, 2 sections. There's like a corner section and a love seat. It's a big L-shaped sectional. So that is coming in at the beginning of June, I believe. So the furniture situation is temporary for the time being. And this is it for now. Stay tuned for our next episode to see where we're at, and we'll see you next time.